Get ready for a big change in finance, as XRP prices might jump to between $1,650 and $2,900 by the end of 2024. This isn't just exaggerated talk, it's based on an important event, the planned release of an XRP ETF. BlackRock, a big financial company known for getting almost all of its ETF proposals accepted, is now turning its attention to XRP after successfully launching a profitable Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock's involvement with XRP is a big deal. There's also more to consider. In addition to BlackRock, Grayscale is also creating ripples in the business. They have added XRP to their list of cryptocurrencies and suggested creating an XRP ETF. This shows how XRP and Ripple Lab are becoming more influential in world trade. Before we start today's material, please help us out by clicking the like button, subscribing, and hitting the reminder bell to join our amazing community. Let's take a look at XRP and see what's new right now. Looking closely at the statistics shows that BlackRock has an excellent reputation for getting ETF approvals. BlackRock is the top company in managing investments, and its interest in Web3 and cryptocurrencies is a big shift in how standard finance sees digital money. Their nearly perfect approval record shows their great skill in managing the financial field for ETFs. BlackRock is a powerful player in the ETF business with a very high approval rate of 99.8% for its ETFs. It's important to look at the overall situation. I have been interested in XRP and have been collecting it. Reports and a secret document say that these big companies have invested over 7.5% of their total wealth into XRP. A recent study showed that BlackRock might shift its focus from Bitcoin to XRP, showing a big change in its investment strategy. This shows that more people are interested in XRP, which makes it more likely that BlackRock will back an XRP ETF. This is where it gets even more interesting. The XRP ETP is a new addition to the XRP story. We don't know who created this ETP, but it's an important step toward becoming an ETF. Reports say that the XRP ETP has been released but is not yet fully available. It will be shown to the public soon. There's more to share. There are reports that an XRP ETF will start at the same time as the ETP when the ETP is launched. This parallel release, which may come just weeks after the debut of a Bitcoin ETF, not only makes logical, but also highlights the quick progress made toward the ETF. XRP has a lot of promise, especially considering Bitcoin's recent increase to $43,000, even before its ETF launched. We're talking about the possibility of XRP's value reaching $1,650 or even $2,500 if its ETF is launched. Listen up, this might sound strange, but it's not as wild as it appears. An XRP ETF will be ready in a few weeks because the XRP ETP has already begun. So many people don't know that Fidelity, a large company in the financial business, has officially launched an exchange-traded product for XRP. This means that there will soon be a move to accept an XRP ETF by the USC Securities and Exchange Commission. We just discussed a new story that came out yesterday. BlackRock has shared research that suggests an XRP ETF might be coming soon. This report indicated that XRP would soon be submitted for approval as an ETF. The excitement grew when a top expert from BlackRock publicly announced that they would be launching an ETF specifically for XRP. They even talked about the iShares XRP Trust when discussing their ETF application. I looked into this myself because I was unsure at first, and I found it on the Delaware List of Corporations page. This new trend shows that we are close to seeing a significant change in how XRP is valued in the market, possibly even more than the changes seen with the Bitcoin ETF. Recent studies have shown significant progress in Bitcoin. BlackRock and JP Morgan have bought over 7.5 million XRP, showing that big financial companies are interested in cryptocurrencies. BlackRock is not only collecting XRP, but also leading efforts to use the XRP ledger in their operations. A key part of this is pushing for the public start of an XRP ETF. The XRP ETF has a strong chance of getting approved because BlackRock has a great track record of getting ETFs accepted. The impact of an XRP ETF on its worth cannot be overstated. That's why, even though it may seem ambitious, a goal price of $9,831 for XRP makes sense when you consider the significant upcoming events. Think about it. XRP is set to play an important role in handling foreign debt transfers due to its impressive figures. The ISTA plays a major role in the $1.80 to $1.30 quadrillion that could move through the XRP system. In addition, the Republic of Palau is creating its central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger, and the BRICS countries, including Saudi Arabia, are also adding the XRP ledger into their systems. This situation says that the value of XRP is likely to increase because there is a lot of interest, demand is high, and there isn't enough available. This topic has become very famous lately. Some people think that my positive views on XRP are just a dream. Maybe they are correct. This is what I think. My main goal is to embrace this hope. I'm taking a deep breath, lighting it, and rolling it into a big one. It's very powerful. I truly believe there is hope. It's a helpful support, especially when you're going through tough times. It's perfectly fine if you don't believe in hope and see it as just wanting something to happen, but I don't see that as a problem. Let's support each other. My motto is that. We don't want to just throw tokens away, and anything less feels like that. We aim to stay positive. I really enjoy all your interesting talks and different opinions on positivity. It really makes the brain work. A fascinating topic was raised about organizations and XRP. They don't need to buy XRP. Leasing is another option. That's a new one, but very popular. And how would I lease a property to a good cause makes no amount of sense. What do you make of this? Isn't that a good idea to think about? I had an interesting idea. If only individual investors bought XRP, it could lead to a few outcomes. First, the demand for XRP might increase, potentially raising its price. However, since individual investors often don't have as much money to spend as larger institutions, the overall impact may be limited. Also, if the price rises too high, some investors might decide to sell their XRP for a profit, which could cause the price to drop again. Overall, exclusive buying by individuals could create price fluctuations, but might not significantly change. I researched this more and even asked ChatGPT about how many transactions the SWIFT system handles each day. The surprising answer was more than $7 trillion. Also remember that this only covers foreign trade. It does not include the trillion-dollar futures market, smart contracts, NFTs, or tokenized assets such as real estate. Think about how XRP could be used in each of these areas. Let's concentrate on foreign trade, which is the area where SWIFT operates. Let's speculate on what might happen with XRP, which has 1,700 links. Ripple and XRP have set a strong standard since they only needed to manage $3 trillion out of $7 trillion each day if we cut that amount in half. This means that the system needs to keep $3 trillion on that day. In this case, the price of XRP could go over $1.50 per coin. So it's clear that the value will go up. It's reasonable to think that some of these connections will invest in XRP because it has a large network. As we said earlier, if banks choose to lease rather than buy, the value could go above $1.50 once the system is up and running, especially if XRP takes up even half of the market. We're talking about over $1,100 per token if all bank payments are included. Thus, pause and relax with this idea, perhaps while sipping an adult beverage. Think about the potential of this positive idea. We live in an exciting world with many great possibilities. I want to remind you that I am not a licensed financial planner. These videos only show fun material. Before making any financial decisions, I always recommend that people do their study and talk to experts. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. To be the first to see my new posts, turn on the alerts. I look forward to seeing you in the next show. Watch out.